Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2023 BOBCAT E10 compact mini excavator. This is an excavator that BOBCAT produces with expandable track system, a folding roll bar. If you're a plumber, if you're a guy in a tight area, this is the excavator for you. This does have an expandable blade system on it, so this thing will narrow up and walk through a door. These have a very niche specialty market for this little machine, but it is a very nice little machine. Plumbed on the boom for auxiliary hydraulics. I do believe that's a 10-inch bucket on it. I will have that in my ad. This machine come out of our local BOBCAT dealer. They got bought out and they had some excess inventory that the new dealer wasn't taking. This was something that they had in their demo fleet, rental fleet, and I purchased it from them. It had been dealer taken care of. Very nice machine. It is a 2023 and there's only 154 hours on it. We did bring it in. We changed all the filters and oils. We did go ahead and do the planetary drive oils, and we're going to start you underneath the engine compartment here. So when you open up the engine compartment, you got to flip back your little seat belt bracket there. Here is going to be powered by a Kubota D722 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of this nature. At 151, we did a service on it, MSC. And then the man behind the camera here, Mr. Braden, he put a few hours on it playing with it here at our place. Again, machine is clean, it is dry, and it is a 154-hour machine. There is no oil leaks on it. Everything is legit and right. And, yes, sir? Oh, correct. Thank you, sir. Pattern changer here underneath for Cat or John Deere style control. It is currently set up and running on Caterpillar control, but is very easily flipped over. It is a pilot control system. Obviously, up here you're going to have your auxiliary hydraulic, your guard here for your hoses if you route them, and again you will have your expandable blade. Very simple to pull your pin and put your blade in and out. Up here at the operator station, you're going to have your throttle, you're going to have your swing boom, blade here, 2-speed. Got your travel controls. On the opposing side here, we're going to have our hour meter, 154 if you can see that, fuel gauge, headlights. There's one little mark there on the seat, one little mark there on the seat, somebody bumped. Other than that, guys, again, it is a like new machine, but it is a machine that they did use in their demo and rental fleet. Doesn't affect anything, but we're just being honest, it's got some scratches and different things like that. We're going to fire this unit up. We're going to run it around here. We're going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So there's a lot of these floating around that have 800 and 900 hours, and I'm going to be asking less for those than what some of the other guys are with a lot more hours. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to show you here 2-speed travel. 2-speed travel, 2-speed travel, forward and reverse. Now, I'm going to take and I'm going to flip my lever here, my blade function, to my expandable track function, and there we got expandable tracks. And now we're going back to our blade function. Now, here you can see we're pulling under our own power. That is something I always like to check on a mini excavator. Two-speed, single speed. Machine is very smooth. You can see it'll pick itself up with no problems. Got your swing boom there. And And you can definitely see the application in which this little machine would reach in and really be a productive piece of equipment for somebody in tight confined spaces. Even if you're just a small guy and you want a smaller machine. And remember guys, this is a Bobcat. You're going to get parts for this machine. It's going to hold its value. It's not like this Chinese excavator junk that's out there on the market that, let's just face it, you aren't going to buy any parts for that thing. You're going to throw it the heck away when you're done with it, if it lasts that long. I don't know. I look at things weird compared to a lot of people, but that's how I look at that. And again, this is a BOBCAT E10, expandable track machine, auxiliary hydraulics. It is a 2023 year model machine. And again, it is oil pilot controlled. It has expandable tracks, 2-speed. It has got swing boom on it. Headlight, fuel gauge, guys, everything works. It's a good running working machine. There's 154 hours. Guys, you got any questions? 814-658-3066. Please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. We take a lot of photos, we do a lot of these videos to truthfully show what something is. If you got any questions on this product, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.